6th of July 2023, we have Markkinakatu, Markkinakatu 10 stay in Espoo here in Matinkylä, Espoo. Espoo has Espoo Street and also money on Finland. It was built in 2003, turning 20 years old this year in 2023. And the zero is 1661B. Capacity is 8 persons, 4 season diagrams, and it's going to be inspected in 2024, the next year, with 6 floors. Nobody's coming in.
Yeah, you can take 2 rides.
Yes, probably. And there's the Schindler logo by the door right here. Oh no. Very embarrassing.
Yeah. But at least we can take 2 rides now.
Yeah. True. That the woman she was gonna she was gonna take the elevator.
Yeah.
She couldn't. She was full of 2 people
Yeah.
and the dog.
Yeah.
No. Oh no.
Dit pakje maar eens dat mee in het balkon.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. That's it. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching. You want to take his A here as well?
That's